Welcome po sa ES Ventures.
Hello, my name is DJ.
If you are new to this channel, I invite you to subscribe to get an access on free tips and tutorials. Okay, let us check this reverse chain lube wet. So this one is a chain lube for bikes, motorcycles. Ayan. So ingredients: petroleum distillates. Directions: apply liberally on clean chain. This one is a premium quality. It's a 60 ml bottle and of wet chain lube. Okay, so ano bang maganda sa wet na chain lube? So, syempre, ibig sabihin resistant siya sa ulan, sa tubig. So very good siya sa rainy season tulad ngayon na palaging umuulan. So kahit na mabasa yung chain, hindi basta-basta matatanggal itong reverse chain lube wet, kasi nga design siya for wet season. Yan, katulad nitong tag-ulan, tag-bagyo dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos kung namumblema kayo na kasi itong wet, kasi ito kumbaga makapit nga, so medyo mahirap siyang tanggalin, pero kailangan lang ng degreaser. So yung isa pang magandang alam ko na degreaser is yung reverse degreaser. So isang spray lang nun, so tanggal na naman to. Hindi naman siya totally mahirap tanggalin. So ito yung ginagamit ko sa bike tsaka sa motorcycle o kaya sa tricycle. So pwede rin to. Okay, paano ba to gamitin itong reverse chain lube? So napakadali lang. Ibuhos lang directly dun sa chain. Lagyan lang ng lagyan yung chain hanggang sa mabasa na yung buong part ng chain. Isa pang paraan ng paglalagay nitong reverse chain lube ay yung paggamit ng brush. Basahin mo lang yung brush, tapos punasan yung chain, punasan yung sprocket hanggang sa mabasa lahat ng parts.
What? Oh my! Amazing! Oh my! Amazing! What? Oh my! Amazing!
So ayun, napakaganda ng effect nitong reverse chain lube. Isa talaga tong dekalidad na lubricant. Hindi ito basta-basta natatanggal ng tubig, kaya naman perfect para sa rainy season. Kapag ginamit mo tong reverse chain lube, sigurado napaka-smooth ng bawat ride mo. So, if you're looking for a premium quality car, motor, and bike
care products, you may check ES.Enjoy Shopping on Shopee or Facebook. That's all for this video. Once again, this is DJ E. Thank you and goodbye.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind to take it, I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life,